Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we have a game-changing gadget from Apple, the Apple AirTag. Say goodbye to the stress of losing your valuable items and join the world of smart tracking. With the Find My app, you can easily locate and find your items alongside friends and devices. No more wasted time searching for your keys, wallet, or bag. Let technology do the work for you. Setting up the AirTag is as simple as a one-tap setup. Instantly connect your AirTag with your iPhone or iPad and you're ready to go. No complicated processes or confusing instructions. Apple makes it effortless to incorporate the AirTag into your daily life. Personalize your AirTag with a range of colorful accessories sold separately. Make it uniquely yours and add a touch of style to your tracking experience. Don't let the fear of losing your items hold you back. Embrace the convenience and peace of mind offered by the Apple AirTag. Click the link in the description below to get yours now. Say goodbye to lost items and welcome the future of tracking with the Apple AirTag. Until next time, stay organized and explore the world of gadgets.